Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we actually got a replacement battery for a Eufy doorbell slash lock slash and security camera. Cool. There's a lot. So if you guys want to actually watch the video on the product itself, make sure you guys check the link in the description. Opening that thing and showing you guys what it does and what it has and things like that. All that stuff, good unboxing stuff. So that's there for you guys to check out. But this is a replacement battery for that. Now this is rechargeable, and by the way, the reason why I have this is because this is on the main door of my house. So it's acting as the camera there. It's also acting as the lock on the house. It's also acting as the doorbell of the house too. So, it's doing a lot of job there, that's very important, and I can't afford to have this thing go off. So this is why I have to have this rechargeable battery. Now there is an option to, you could just take the battery out and then charge it and then put it back in, or you can also charge it with a power bank or something like that on the spot. That just doesn't seem like a good idea because it is a lock that's going to be used. It's the main door of the house that gets used every day, and on top of that, it's a security camera. It's doing a lot of things that's very important. It can't shut down. So this is why I ended up having to get a rechargeable battery. Well, this is the same battery that the device comes with, but I had to get another one for this. Now this is a 10,000 milliamp rechargeable battery here, compatible with smart lock and smart drop, USB-C fast charging as well. So yeah, you have all that option here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now this is actually from Eufy. Eufy is actually by Anchor, so it's a very reputable company. So I really trust them a lot, except their video quality and stuff is pretty bad. And sometimes these cameras lag a lot and then it starts recording later. So there are a few cons and pros in that, but overall pretty okay. So you would have to actually charge this for 6 to 8 hours. That's a pretty long time to charge. You would definitely have to have another one. Imagine charging this and then your main door lock isn't working because you don't have a battery in there. So big deal, definitely big deal. So that's why I have this other one. We're going to charge this up and then, just replace it every time that, it needs replacement. So, this will be on charge. And then when this runs out, that'll be on charge. This will be on charge. When that one runs out, this will be working and that will be on charge. That's what I meant. Anyways, so this is the USB-C over here. As you can see, that's where you're going to charge from. This basically connects to the lock itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it with it. There's nothing else to really say. It's, it has a good weight to it. It does hold 10,000 milliamp power in here. So cool stuff. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want this, I'll leave it in the description as well, along with the other videos and stuff and the other products. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.